Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to enable videos autoplaying in Telegram. If you enjoy watching videos seamlessly in your Telegram chats, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of Telegram, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings and then select Power Saving. Step 4. Under the Power Saving settings, ensure that the Power Saving mode is disabled for the best video playback experience. Step 5. Now, go back to the main menu in Telegram and tap on Settings again. Step 6. Look for the Chat Settings option and tap on it. Step 7. In the chat settings, you'll find different options to customize your chats. Locate and tap on Media and Storage. Step 8. Under the Media and Storage settings, find the Autoplay Videos option and enable it. Step 9. Enabling the Autoplay Videos option will allow videos to autoplay in your Telegram conversations, making your viewing experience more seamless. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable videos autoplaying in Telegram and enjoy a smoother video playback experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you personalize your Telegram experience by enabling videos autoplay. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.